Profit margin per hour rate. Why using a rate is better than using a percentage for profit margin. And that's what we're going to talk about today. Also, if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, click that subscribe button. And if you want to be notified of any new videos that come out, after you click the subscribe button, click the notification bell. Hi, my name is Mark Lallman with MyOverhead.com, and I have been helping businesses for over 2 decades now. I've been featured in over 38 newspapers around the country, teaching business owners how to be extremely profitable in their businesses. Let's keep your business profitable. Okay, so what I want to show you guys here today is about your profit margin per hour rate, okay? Now, some of you guys might be like, okay, I've heard of profit margin percentage or profit margin. What is a profit per hour rate? Let me just show you, because just like overhead, and again, if you guys don't know about overhead and using why you don't want to use a percentage, I recommend taking my free training. At the bottom of this video, there is a link that you can actually click on to sign up for the free training. So check that out if you don't know why you don't want to use overhead as a percentage. And the same is true when it comes to profit margin, okay? You really don't want to use that percentage, all right? Let me show you first off what I'm talking about. So here in the My Overhead system, I'm going to go over here to reports, okay? And I want to go into summaries. Now let me show you this, all right? Now on the surface, if we look at these numbers, if we come down here, up here is our break-even rate and our overhead rate and so forth. But if we come down through here, you can see that our revenue, we're at 4 million, and our cost of goods sold, and we have all of our other costs, our overhead costs. But you can see our net profit is like $692,000 or $25.99 per hour. That's actually looks, on the surface, it looks good. But when we actually drill down into the different types of groups, you know, for the labor groups, and we can see that this is for a contractor. Now, it doesn't matter. Doesn't matter if you're restaurant, retail, manufacturing, the same concept applies, okay? All this is the same, all right? So you can see here for residential service, we got commercial, industrial, but let's scroll down through here. This column here is our average for all the groups, but take a look here. This group here, oh wow, look, we're at $196.45 per hour. But this group here, we're actually at a negative $55.27 per hour on our profit margin per hour. So if we could actually fix this category, you could see that our averages would be much, much higher. But you can see in this industrial side, for this contractor, he's making $29.54 per hour. In the service, he's really doing well, but in the commercial aspect, he's actually in the negative. Now, again, looking at your numbers as a whole, you're just looking at your profits. You made 15.9498%. That might seem good. But in service, we're at 29, and right now we're losing 17.76% of that. And a lot of people don't realize for every dollar you actually lose, okay, in profits, it usually takes you 2 to 3 just to bring you back to even, okay? Now, let me show you this as over here what I mean. Now, take a look at this. This is like, say, 8 different jobs that we have here on this sheet. And you can see that we did a 23.8% markup. Now, this is, again, why you don't want to use a percentage. Because each one of these, we did 23.08% of a markup on these, all right? Now, again, if you really wanted to see this, I suggest you take our training, our free training. We go into explaining why you don't want to use a percentage, because even though you take your number and multiply it times 23, 25, 30%, whatever it is, you're never going to see that number. But that's a different, something different here. What I'm trying to show you is that we've marked up all these jobs or projects or contracts the exact same amount, okay? Now, if we come over here and we look at this, we can see that our profit per hour on each one of these, look how they've all changed. Now remember, we've marked it up the exact same on every single project. But look at this, okay? You can see $41.91 on this one. $38.24, $15.03, $47.08, $8.65. So each one of these, even though they were marked up by that, if we come over here, we can see $23.08 on a percentage wise. When we look at them on an hourly rate for profit, they're all over the board. And you can see, no wonder we lost this one. We're at $41.91. This one, we're at $38.24. Well, this one, we're at $15.03. that's not too bad, it seems like. But this one here, look, loss 47.08. Of course we're going to lose it. It's these ones that we're winning here. This one, it looks like it's the highest one that we won. Okay, 23.53. Now you can actually maybe adjust that. Maybe try 25, 26, 27, 28, because our next jump is now all the way up here into this $38.24. So there's a big gap there that you could be leaving a lot of money on the table. Also, you're leaving a lot of opportunities on the table, because this here, if we would have actually marked this up with, let's say, 23, 25, 26, again, you don't know until you start testing it, but you can see that we don't have to be at this 41.91 an hour. We lost this, and we might have been able to win that and still be very, very profitable. This one here, 38.24, loss. This one is a win. This is a loss. This one, oh wow, $8.65. I don't know if I want to take that job with only an $8.65 profit margin on an hourly rate basis. Do you get what I'm saying? It's making the number jump all over the board using a percentage. And this is exactly why you do not want to use a percentage, and you do want to use an hourly rate for your profit rate per hour. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you on the next video. If you're interested in using this system, go to myoverhead.com and you can sign up for a free training webinar teaching you about overhead and break-even rates and profit margin erosion, how to avoid it, or you can sign up for the software and use it for your business.